This is the Pow Ever dummy battery kit. And it all comes in a small little box. In here you have the wall plug, the dummy battery itself, and the box. Funny enough, this camera is the 750D. The camera this is meant for. I actually bought 2 of these because of how good that one worked. To use it, all you do is you get your outlet here, plug it into your dummy battery. With the ability to disconnect this dummy battery from here is so nice. You're able to reroute wires. And then you plug this end into here, plug it into the wall, and then plug this into your battery compartment. There's gonna be a little rubber flap on the side, sort of like my 750D here, and you just push the battery out of it and shut the compartment. Plug it into the wall, and now the camera's gonna think that you have a fully charged battery without knowing, hey, I'm plugged into the wall. This is how it looks fully built together, and this is gonna be used for my secondary setup way over there. It's a really solid buy. I've been using this one for years now, and it's never given me trouble. It just works, it gets the job done, and it does what it's supposed to, and that's keep your camera on. Only thing you need to keep in mind is with dummy batteries, as soon as they lose power, that's it. Your camera has no power. There are cases where I was recording and the power cuts. That means all the footage on this camera goes out. That means that video you're recording, if it's an MP4, is done. And no matter how many times I try, I can never recover it. But typically, if you do have an issue with power or something like that and you do want to get it, just get a UPS with it. It doesn't even have to be a big one. It just can be a little small and just to keep your camera on long enough so you can save the file and turn it off and wait for the power to come back on. For me, I've never done that. I only ever had the power cut on me twice. And since my camera only records up to a certain limit, then it stops that recording and starts up another. So I'd only lose a little bit of footage compared to the entire file. I'm not concerned about the power going out because I could just refilm stuff, but that's just the way it is. All around, super nice, and you can legit just plug this into a battery pack if you really wanted to. I like the product, super solid. It's held up throughout the years, and I recommend this to anybody that needs to get a dummy battery for their camera, especially the 750D.